Hello, we are going to be talking about a Swiss Army knife today. So, it's the Swiss Army knife recruit, which it's a big knife. Don't have a ruler with me, but who cares about rulers? Yeah, it's red, with a Tornox symbol. So, let's see. Let's go over the tools on it. It has I think this is a bottle opener, a bottle opener with a big flathead screwdriver and small blade, or main blade, and then it has a can opener with a wire stripper, and I don't know if that's a Phillips head or a flathead, but it's definitely a small flathead or Phillips head. Then we always have toothpick, tweezers, and toothpick. Then we have a nice keychain there. So there's the Swiss Army knife recruit, and hope you enjoyed. Comment please, or subscribe, whatever. Bye.